Hi guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd Deals. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to our channel. So the tool that I'm going to review today is iCreate. This is an all-in-one marketing tool that lets you do simply everything for your marketing campaigns. You can build your site or a landing page through the drag and drop builder. As a result, building site or landing pages are super easy and also time saving. There is even a liteCRM on iCreate's platform. As a result, you can manage your leads super effectively. There are also a lot of other features on iCreate, such as the analytics, which means you can get detailed analytics about how your marketing campaigns are performing so that you can make necessary changes. So let's have a look at some of the features. So as you can see, there is a drag and drop builder that lets you build Minisite, landing page, survey, questionnaire, catalog, magazines, and so on. There is also website personalization, which means everything on a website, all the assets can be personalized according to your needs. There are also the marketing dashboard from where you can get all the dynamic reports about your campaigns. There is also the CRM and lead management tool that I talked about earlier, and there are a lot of integration options available. As you can see, some of them are Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, and even Google Sheet. So iCreate is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal, which means by paying only $39 you can get lifetime access to iCreate. And keep in mind the regular price is $1,794, so you are saving around $1,755 with this Appsumo deal. iCreate is an alternative to 15.5. And now let's have a look at the Appsumo deal features. So you can create unlimited landing pages, sites, pop-ups. You can also create unlimited surveys, questions, coupons. There are also some other features such as custom JavaScript, CSS, HTML, A/B testing, lead management, CRM, and so many other features. So these are the tiers available on Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $39, tier 2 costs $99, tier 3 costs $179. So if your website do not get a lot of visits, you can get this tier 1 package that has a visitor limit of 10,000. But for more visitor limit, you can check out the tier 2 with 50,000 visits or tier 3 with 100k visits. There are also another tier which is tier 4 with a price of $349. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, check the link in the description below. iCreate also has a subscription plan. So obviously they have a free plan, and the subscription plan costs $299 per month. There is also an annual pricing which costs $199 per month. So after you log into iCreate, you will get this dashboard, and from here you can see a lot of different types of statistics about your campaigns. So you can see the amount of visitors you are getting from mobile, the amount of unique visits, and this is the leads visitor section. You can also see the general statistics about mobile visitors and unique visitors. You can see all of your active campaigns, pending campaigns, and the ones that have been completed. You can also see a lot of different other features such as budget spent, lead target, cost per lead, conversion rate. From the left side of the dashboard, you can see the assets and campaigns. There are some drop down menus such as digital assets. So from this digital assets section, you can see all of your assets such as landing pages, overlay, email, and external traffic. You can also see the overlays in here. You can even add your virtual numbers. To do that, you just have to select your brand and then you can click on add new. From here you can add new virtual numbers, and then there are some other sections such as my templates and templates. So from this template section, you can see all of the templates that you can use for your landing pages. So the next section is audience and personalization. So you may remember that how I showed you on iCreate's website that they let you personalize your website for custom audience. So you can do that from here. First of all, you have to select your brand, and then you can click on add new segment. You have to name your segment, and then you can select the amount of conditions that need to be executed for segment to perform. So let's set it to 80, and then click on create segment. So now there are a lot of different types of conditions that you can set, such as the asset type, campaign, user action, asset, operator, event level. So you can set these parameters, and this way you can personalize your site for different types of audience. The next section is leads and engagement. So from here you can see all of your leads, you can manage them, you can also see the incomplete leads, and you can see the engagements that you are getting. So let's go to this lead section. So once again you have to select your brand, and all of your leads will appear in this section. As you can see, you can even import Excel file to import all of your leads to this iCreate dashboard. You can also add a new lead from this section, and then we have the analytical options from where you can see the reports as well as dynamic reports about your marketing campaigns. So you have to select your brand, and then you have to select your campaign, and then you can select the report from here. So one of the most interesting features of iCreate is that you can create landing pages pop up from this dashboard. For that, you just have to click on this create new digital asset, and as you can see, there are three options. So you can create landing page, sticky bar or pop up. You can also create email list. So let's create a landing page and click on continue, and as you can see, now all of the templates have appeared. So let's select this one and then click on continue. So now you have to provide some general information about your landing page. First, you have to select your brand, then the asset name, so landing page 1. You can select the start date, also the end date. There are some other options such as send SMS after validating lead, send email after validating, and there are a lot of other options. So once all the settings are done, you can click on create asset, and as you can see, the landing page has been created. And there is a small statistics section on here, so you can see the visits, the leads, the conversion rate, and the integrations. And you can perform a lot of actions such as you can edit your landing page, you can preview it, you can edit the campaign, you can also duplicate it, and from this data section you can add integrations or see the performance of your campaign. So let me show you the editor of this landing page. So after you open the editor, you will get a tutorial from iCreate's YouTube channel. They have showed you how to create your first landing page and edit that. And as you can see, this is the detailed editor, and this is your landing page on the background. And it is a drag and drop builder, which means you do not have to know any coding. You just have to select a certain panel. For example, I have selected this one, or let's select this one. So as you can see on this left side, you can change this clean code sections, length, width. You can also change the top and height. You can rotate it. There are other options such as different types of settings. You can change the appearance, the dependencies, the accessibilities. There are some other options such as key, class, object name, data attributes. So from this drag and drop builder, you just have to select a specific portion of your landing page, and then you can edit it. You can also see the desktop view and even the mobile view of your landing page. So this is currently the mobile view. If you want to edit your mobile view, you can also do that from here. Then there are some other options on top, such as you can add different types of content. So what kind of content you can add? You can see text, image, SVG, video, YouTube, gallery. So there are so many other options. You can also add different types of buttons and menus to your landing page or your site, such as link button, anchor, print button, menu, side menu, mobile menu. You can also add external codes such as iframe, HTML, Google Map. You can even embed some social platforms such as FB share, comments, FB like, message, and WhatsApp. And the last editing option is adding forms to your landing page. So you can add textbook, drop down menu, checkbox, radio group, phone box, and so many other types of features. So as you can see, this was everything about the editor of iCreate's landing page. So overall, I think iCreate is an amazing tool if you are constantly running marketing campaigns. It almost does everything. It has a very good liteCRM that lets you manage all of your leads in one platform. You can see the incompleted leads, the engagement, and the leads that have been properly completed. And the drag and drop site builder is amazing of iCreate. It lets you create a landing page or pop-ups or email lists super easily, and there are so many customization options from the editor of iCreate. So overall, I think iCreate is a great tool for marketing campaigns, and these are some of the features of this Appsumo deal. And these are the tiers: the tier 1 $39, tier 2 $99, tier 4 with $349, and another tier is tier 3 with a price of $179. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, check the link in the description below. So that's it for our today's video. If you have enjoyed this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.